Hi, I'm Tracy Gonzalez with Fathom Realty in the Augusta, Georgia area, also known as the CSRA. Today, we're taking a drive through Bell Tower in Evans, Georgia. Bell Tower on the River is a custom home riverfront community on the northern edge of Evans, Georgia. The entrance is beautifully landscaped with the bell tower structure. There are sidewalks on each side of the road and gas carriage lampposts in front of each completed home, which just all adds charm and character to the neighborhood. Bell Tower borders Riverside Elementary School and Riverside Park, and there's actually a sidewalk that connects Bell Tower to both the park and the elementary school, which is really convenient. Riverside Park has baseball fields, soccer fields, and playgrounds, and it's just great fun for the whole family. Bell Tower residents have guaranteed access to Riverside Boat Ramp and Betty's Branch Inlet. It's a smaller, quaint subdivision with 67 home sites total. The HOA dues are $1,200 per year and includes over 17 acres of common area, featuring walking trails, nature paths, and picnic spots, all surrounding the 12-acre recreational peninsula that is accessible only to Bell Tower homeowners. Home sites range from about a quarter acre to a little over an acre, and the lots currently on the market are priced between $75,000 and $249,000. Finished homes are valued between $600,000 and $1.2 million. Lots are restricted sites. There's a list of preferred builders, and the Architectural Review Board will review all home plans. The schools currently zoned for Bell Tower are Riverside Elementary School, Riverside Middle School, and Greenbrier High School. Downtown Augusta is about a 20-minute drive from here, and Fort Gordon will take you about 25 minutes if that's your commute. If you think Bell Tower is the community for you, or if you would just like some more information about it, give me a call at 919-909-3289. I'd love to show you the homes that are currently on the market, or we can walk the lots that are available for you to build your very own dream home.